Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Joshua Alano, your favorite YouTuber. In today's video, I'll teach you how to create your SSH key, your new SSH key, connect it to your GitHub for automatic push command in just 5 steps. Let's go. So the first thing you need to do is to open up your terminal. So this is my terminal. So the first step is to generate your SSH key. And the command for that is SSH dash key gen space small letter T space RS space B, the bit size 96 space C, capital letter C, then space your email address, your GitHub email address. Kindly enter your GitHub email address .com. Right? It is generating public and private RSA key pairs. Just enter, enter, enter. This is your key. Okay. The next step is to start up our SSH agent. So the command for that is eval space in a string of $SSH agent dash S for start. So it has started up a new SSH agent. So the next step is to add our SSH to the root directory. So to do that is run this command SSH dash add, then this tilde sign for home dot SSH forward slash ID, which is the private key. Want to add our private key? Click on enter. Identity added. Then the next step here is to copy our public key to the clipboard. But to do that, we need a command, and we'll be installing that command here. So the command is sclip. So let's install sclip. To install sclip, run this command sudo apt.get install for me sclip dash y. Okay, my password. Good. Sclip is installed. Now let's copy our public key to our clipboard. To do that, just run this command sclip dash seal s dash sel space clip, redirect into home, go into home and get in the .ssh forward slash id underscore rsa dot pub for public key, right? You enter. The next step is to go to your GitHub. I believe you have a GitHub account. Go to your GitHub, and so on your GitHub, come here, go to settings. To your left, yeah, so this SSH and GPG key, click on it. You see this new SSH key, click on it. Please give it a name. You can say SSH, or to be unique, my dash SSH, right? Now remember, you have copied your public key to the clipboard. All you need to do now is right click and paste. Boom. Then scroll down, add SSH. You have successfully added your SSH to your GitHub. Now you can push without restriction. Okay, so let's try it out. So I will create a new repository and give it a name, say SS SSH is key. I don't need to add any description. Scroll down and create your repository. After creating a repository, before now, anytime you are when you want to clone, you always copy this HTTPS. But this time around, because you have added the SSH to your GitHub and it's connected to your machine, just click on SSH and kindly copy this thing here. Control C, go back to your terminal. Let me clone the repo I just copied. Git clone, right click, paste, enter. It is cloning into SSH, no problem. Enter. Yes, enter. So now I can change my directory to my dash. Oops. I think it was SSH dash key. Yeah. So now I don't have anything here. So let me quickly write something into our a readme file. Echo, I can say my new SSH, then redirect it into your readme file. Enter. Now we have a readme file. If I cut it, boom, my new SSH. Now let us git add, git commit my readme, then git push. Cross your finger, cross your finger, boom. There you go. You have successfully created a new SSH, added it to your GitHub, created a new repository, wrote something to the README file, committed your changes, and pushed to your GitHub. Congratulations if you made it through to this. So, like, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos, and share. Thank you.